we pulled up to this building, which is
it's old. It's 100 years old.
100 years old, but has such a regal look to it, and an unusual, almost like a pyramid shape, a triangular shape, stunning looking. And the price included our parking as well. We had underground parking,
which was handy for us because it's secure as well, so we didn't have to worry about our vehicle.
Pretty outside.
So we travelled from Germany to Szczecin, which took about an hour and a half.
It was a good journey.
It was a good journey.
We were welcomed warmly as we arrived to reception, as we are now in awe of, the decor is...
It's fabulous.
It's fabulous. It's almost like Gatsby.
And the thing is, it was a 4-star, and yet we'd say it should be 5.
Definitely. You know, when you see it in the brochure, when you're looking on, you don't get to see the... During booking this, you see it. You see the photos, but seeing it in person, stunning.
Well, the quality of the finish on everything is superb, isn't it? And there's a lot of bling. You like the bling?
Oh, it's a combination of marble, black, gold. It almost reminded me of my YSL days. It was absolutely striking, so striking. Felt very proud of this one.
And fresh flowers as well. All around the hotel, fresh flowers. And not daily, but you never see an old flower, one drooping or sad looking. They're kept so perfect, aren't they?
Perfection. The details of down to the colors of the carpeting, the size of the rooms, the detail and decor in the bedrooms. Absolutely. You could see the attention to detail, taking an older building and giving it a modern, I have to say, a real modern. It had the classical and it had the modern. It was a combination that's so well executed. We were wowed.
We were wowed. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It's down there. It's the little button down there.
We've had a long day. A good day, wasn't it? Had a good journey.
Journey was, quite quick.
Oh my goodness. I think it's going to definitely be night, darling.
Yeah.
And got a nice early start in the morning.
Yeah.
The next day.
The breakfast
was
the most extensive breakfast on offer that we've seen in a hotel that we've been to. And you'll see in the pictures how extensive that was. The amount of choices you had. Even down to fresh things like fresh honey and fresh herbs.
They had fresh honey, and they absolutely had the honeycomb there.
I've got a whole honeycomb which is dripping with honey. That's fresh. Fresh honey. Never seen that before.
A honeycomb, you just press gently and the honey will come dripping down to your fresh herbs to put on top of your scrambled egg or your omelette.
Still growing in the pot, so you just snip them off.
Just have to try a little of everything. This is like a pate, almost like a meatloaf, and they do eat it with something sweet. It's like a berry.
So you put some.
Combination is beautiful.
Mine is like a biscuity base, a nice fruity filling, and then some soft pastry on top. Walking the streets of Szczecin, town centre.
The galaxy.
The galaxy. Let's go.
Let's go. Work with this brand so much.
This brand is INGLOT.
INGLOT.
Okay.
That one is definitely drawing me. Can you see? You're getting the gold. Can you see the difference here? That one really has me. Yes. That's amazing.
They're really pretty, aren't they?
What we got, value for money, fantastic.
Definitely. Even when it comes to your meals, we dined in the hotel, I think almost every evening. Yes, darling. Wait, I don't think I quite got you.
What's it? It's yours shrunk?
Yeah.
Honey, somebody shrunk my drink.
Yes.
It's Polish, a vodka.
They froze the glass. They made that. That's what it is.
I want to make it like condensed.
That is fantastic.
Sensation.
Wanted to try a true Polish vodka. I must remember that. It's gorgeous, actually. We only had one evening we didn't dine because we had a very hectic day. We really hit the town, did some shopping, and every evening we were just amazed at the quality of the meal, the staff. Thank you so much, Camilla.
Thank you.
The friendliness, informative. There was never enough. There was nothing too much they couldn't do for you. Fantastic value, and the price. It was the price of the meal.
Brilliant prices.
It was.
For hotel prices were amazing.
Mouth-watering tenderness.
This is duck dumpling. Let's just cut this open and see what's inside it.
Fabulousness.
So this breaded pork is traditional Polish. And the breading is just lovely. It's got a super taste to it. And the cabbage, you mix it with a little bit with the cabbage and it's delicious.
I think we'll have to put some of that, trying to remember, we worked out our meal. I would have a glass of wine or a Prosecco. Mark would have a beer or two. And we were talking about 40, I think 50 pounds.
Yeah, probably 50 tops, I think.
Would have been our most expensive.
In a hotel, that's amazing.
And that would be, I like a starter. I'm a starter. I do like a starter, prepare the palate, and so. And I mean, I think 3 nights I had a starter, and we would share.
What is it today?
Today is Wednesday.
It's the next day.
Trams pull up, actually, literally outside the hotel.
Yeah. Right next door, there's a casino. I think you can go in from the hotel into the casino.
There's, well, 2 great shopping malls that we went to, and there is a third apparently.
Galaxy Centrum, there is an outlet mall, the Galleria Cascada, and there are more, but those are your main 3, and each of them had a wow. But we were stunned. They were beautiful. Yeah.
And again, great value. What you can buy out there for the English pound.
Yeah, the zloty to the pound. I can't remember what it worked out to
be.
It certainly has a good stretch on it. And we are sitting here walking down memory lane as we found tissue, and we are so fortunate to find one here in Cascada Mall in Szczecin. Having some coffee actually in store.
Vegetables, this is nice buttery taste.
Look what it said, vegetables and butter.
It's the little green things. Not but little green things. I'm not sure what they are.
We're in Poland. Our stay for 5 days, if I remember correctly, was 1,480 zlotys. With the exchange rate at that time, that was only just over 300 pounds. That included our breakfast, underground parking, and the luxury that we had.
Terrific value.
Terrific value. It had swimming pool, whirlpool, sauna, steam room.
Wow.
And a gym.
Brilliant.
And you can arrange, as long as you arrange in advance, you can have massages there as well. I ratings, I'm out of 10. It had to be so much higher. When you see this, I'm sure you will agree.
That's joy.
With Mark.